Hi, Koala fans. Welcome to the Koala Show. Today I'm going to be reviewing some store-bought slimes, some very interesting new store-bought slimes, ones that I haven't seen before. I haven't gone to the store in a while because I don't go to the store anymore to do slime hauls because I kind of only go to the store to get, we only go to the store to get what we really need now. So I'm going to review those and I'm really excited. So I'm going to apologize in advance if there's any background noise. Obviously, we're all home, so there might be background noise, but if there is, I'm sorry. But I am recording through my headphones, so hopefully that will make it a little easier. So these are the two slimes I have here. I think I'm going to review the Play-Doh slime first. So this is actually made by Play-Doh. It's Play-Doh slime, and they call it Super Cloud. I believe that's the texture. So I got this kind of peach colored one. So this slime is extremely soft. It definitely lives up to its name, Super Cloud. It literally feels like a cloud. It's a little bit more dense than I expected it to be, but I'm actually really happy with the texture because it's really, really nice and soft, and it's extremely stretchy. Like, it will never rip. Here, let me try to rip it. It won't rip. It will not rip. So it's it's an extremely nice slime. And I love the color too. It looks a little bit lighter in the camera, but I love both colors. They are very beautiful. So what I noticed about this slime is it has like a homemade slime texture. It really feels it really feels like I could make a slime. Like a homemade slime, very similar to homemade slime. It kind of feels like if I added shaving cream to a slime with clay and some other stuff. I don't really know. So I'm going to do some ASMR because the ASMR sounds really nice with the slime. Keeps slipping off the table. So I really, really, really love this slime. Like yesterday when I got it, I could not stop playing with it because it was so nice. The texture was so nice and it's so soft and stretchy. So I'm going to rate this slime probably a 9 out of 10. It's a really amazing slime. And I'm looking forward to Play-Doh coming out with more slimes. So this is the other one I got. It is called Fluffy Clouds Piney Party. So it is a pineapple slime, and it said it came with a surprise too. So it said that it was a cloud cream, so I'm going to go ahead and see how great it is. I'm pretty sure it's going to be amazing. Oop. Oh my gosh, look at that little charm in there. Yesterday when I opened it, I was not expecting the charm because this little surprise thing is so tiny. So it was like really a surprise. I was not expecting it. So this slime smells amazing. It smells like the best pineapple scent ever. It actually smells like Dole Whip, like the pineapple Dole Whip. If you haven't tried that, you definitely should. It's amazing. It's kind of like a pineapple sorbet. So let's take this pineapple charm out. Oh my god, it's so cute. Even the pineapple charm smells really good. Look at how cute that pineapple charm is. So cute. Wow, okay. This feels very similar to homemade like icy slime. It kind of feels like a Clyde cream, but I'm not sure it'll drizzle. If it'll drizzle. Because it's kind of dense. But it definitely does feel like exactly like an icy slime. I'm not sure if it's an icy slime or I'm thinking of a different slime. I'm not sure. Okay, well I got it all out of the container. So this feels so amazing. It's so soft. It definitely does feel like a fluffy cloud. So they definitely didn't name it wrong. It does seem like it'll drizzle, like while I'm stretching it, it seems like it could drizzle. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. It's so like fluffy. Oh yeah, it kind of drizzles. Wow. I'm actually, excuse me. I'm actually extremely surprised with how amazing this is. Yeah, I believe you call this an icy slime. But it is such an amazing slime. I love the texture. It's so soft. And it does drizzle. So I also hear, like, this slime, you can hear sizzles in it. So I'm going to bring the microphone a little closer. Okay, so I definitely think this slime is amazing and it's so cute and I so love that tiny pineapple charm in it. That was like the best surprise ever. So I love the texture of both of these slimes. And I'm very, very, very surprised with how amazing they were. And both of them are really, really close to homemade slime textures. I hope you guys enjoyed me reviewing these two slimes. And I just want to say that Play-Doh, the Play-Doh company, and... Wait just a second. And Compound Kings. I thought they did an amazing job with both of these slimes. They were so amazing. And yeah, I think you guys should definitely get them and try them out if you can. And if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below any other video suggestions. I have time now. And stay safe, healthy, and happy. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.